Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Nissan Rogue SV. This one's silver. Underneath it's a 2.5 4-cylinder pushing out 170 horsepower and 175 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A gray cloth interior, pano sunroof. Come around back. Rogue SV all-wheel drive badging. Power liftgate. Set all-season floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, a keyless entry, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Auxiliary and USB port. Heated seats. This Nissan Rogue has 113,929 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Rogue SV, check out feldmannimports.com.